friends, welcome to CK Video. Here's an aftermarket GPS DVD player for Audi TT from 2006 to 2012. This head unit has pure Android 4.2 operation system and dual-core A9 1.6G CPU. It uses UBLSO G6010ST chipset and Samsung DDR3 1GB RAM. The quad-core GPU and H.264 MVC audio decoder bring you HD video and high-tone quality. The 7-inch touchscreen supports 5-point operation for zooming in and out pictures and controlling game characters' movements, and so on. You can download apps, use Mirror Link, and voice search in it. Let's check out the great functions in this unit. You can listen to radio by selecting channels manually or automatically. It supports RDS. You can select channels by program types, such as news, science, music, and so on. It has AF and TA function. It supports band AM and FM. You can shift radio to stereo status and listen to local radio stations. Go to the main menu and open GPS system. The 3D navigation map shows you accurate GPS location and route information. It supports Google Map too. You will never get lost with this function. The DVD player supports DVD, VCD, CD, MP3, and other formats. You can enjoy 1080p HD videos in it. The file management makes it possible to edit files from external devices. You can copy, paste, or delete them. Connect your phone with the unit via Bluetooth and dial numbers on the screen directly. You can also answer calls on the screen. Download full book from your cell phone. Check call history and listen to music from your phone. Insert a SD card to the unit, then you can play media files from it. You can listen to songs freely. Go back to the main menu and click Video icon. Select Files from the SD card. Then you can enjoy videos. Back to the main menu and enter Photo interface. Select Photos from the SD card. And you can view photos by sliding your fingers on the screen. The OBD II system makes it possible to monitor the car's fuel consumption, water temperature, intake pressure, and so on. Now we come to the setting interface. You can set options of panel light color, security, GPS system, steering wheel control buttons, and so on.